She did that? Yes, I did.
Stove is on medium heat. I'm not gonna pour in my balsamic vinegar. Okay. I'm also gonna go with some honey. Oops, making a mess. Some honey. And also some garlic. Mix it all together and let this come to a boil for about 5 minutes. And then I'm going to show you guys my salmon. Or my salmon. Yes. So 5 minutes, I'm going to come back and show you guys this sauce. Okay. Ooh, I have my salmon here, guys, already patted dry. Okay. I also have my Maggi. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit on each salmon, not too much because I already have the sauce or the glaze for the salmon. Okay. And I'm gonna go in with some lemon pepper, a little bit, not too much. Let's make sure that the salmon is dry. Okay, and let's rub it in. And I also found some of my supporters' favorite complete seasoning. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit on it, not too much, because you know the Maggi have all the salt in it already. Okay, so rub all this seasoning in. Sprinkle a little bit, guys. I just don't want to salt my food. Okay. Love my food season. And also on this, okay. I'm going to sear these for a little bit and then pop them into the oven. Okay, guys. So this is my sauce. I'm gonna put half into one salsa and half into the other. So I'm gonna baste this the salmon before it goes into the oven and then after it comes out of the oven. Okay, so let's pour it all in. Ooh. I'm gonna baste my salmon with the glaze and then pop it right into the oven. So thick. I made a strawberry mango salsa, guys. I have red onions, pineapple, strawberries. I really wanted cilantro, but I only have parsley, and I have some mango as well. I'm going to toss these onto my salmon. And here is my salmon. Out of the oven, going with some lemon or lime, anything that you have is fine. Add some lime to it, okay? And one more thing I'm going to add is a little tip of salt. Just a little tip, not too much, like a pinch of salt. and then just mix it all together. This smells so good. You guys see this? You guys see this beauty? You see how pretty this is?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine, and today I'm having balsamic, I'm saying it right, or I'm having salmon. And I also went in and used salsa. You can use pineapple, you can use mango, you can use any type of fruits to make your salsa. Okay, and I also have some mashed potatoes and string beans. Okay. Y'all see it? Oh, you guys really close to me. So let me dig in. Let me dig in. So, oh my god, you guys could see this fall apart. The noise. Sure. Oh my god. I don't know where to start with this food. It's just so pretty, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you guys today because yeah, so I have the string beans, I have salmon, and I also have some of the salsa on it. You guys can just have your bite. Oh, baby. You all taste it? My mouth keeps springing water. Let me show you guys something. The balsamic glaze that I put on this and then popped in the oven for about 3 minutes. Yo. The mangoes, the strawberries. Some people don't like fruits on their food, but baby, you guys have to try this one. Mashed potatoes, strawberries, mango, pineapples. Just feel like summer in my plate. The red onions pop in my mouth. So, and I understand. Today, I'm come out today. I'm out the door today. So, and food nice. And I also have some Smirnoff. Okay. Sure. ASMR, guys. ASMR. Thank God I get my straws. Can it hold? It better hold. I don't want to talk too much for y'all. I just want to eat because this food just too good. The mashed potatoes. Yo, the strawberry. Yo, this bud. Yo, this bud. So. The reason why I fried my salmon, I could pop the salmon in the fridge. I could pop the salmon into the oven and just kind of glaze it, but I wanted that, you know, crispy skin. God. Yo. When anybody wants to, me say, understand me? Make you and cook. Food nice, but not so. Oh my gosh, I want to show you guys the skin of the salmon. Yeah, I can see it. Oh, look at the weight. Ah? Yo, look at this chop. Come house clean. I'm gonna eat it. So what? I'm trouble. She did that? Yes, I did. It's my countertop. What's that? Today, it's all about the food. The lemon that I put into the salsa. I'm not gonna lie. What's that? When God can cook, God can cook. Baby. I'm done. I'm not play with them. I'm not play. Because only thing I want to play in the kitchen. I'm not playing in my kitchen. I ain't playing in my kitchen, guys. My son had, it's a small piece of salmon under, you know, I've had 4 pieces. I give my son 1. I take 1 for myself. I give my husband 2. But anyways. And my son eat up the fruits on the salmon. And I'm like, "Mommy, this tastes so good." I'm like, "Yeah." He loves salmon. He loves seafood. We don't talk to Uno. All the flavor with the pineapple, the mango, the strawberry, and the parsley. I really wanted to use cilantro, but if I have any, so parsley, honey, and the green bean, the crunchy. Who can talk to me? You can't talk to me. Where? The smell of ice, refreshing. Yeah, people talk about cooking. You know what cooking? Check me. But I can't talk. Guys, I'm hot. I'm on a short week today. I'm reading in a long eat. My camera on the curling. Can't take it. Don't follow me, you know. The food just melts away. Just melting. Yeah, see pretty. Yeah, so I tried it in the kitchen. That's something me I play. I'm not coming to play with my food. Me I eat every piece of this. Una beg nugget, una beg no want. I'm not lying. That's It's that eating show. Company channel gonna play. I'm gonna play. Eating show. Eat. I'm gonna sing and all these things. Eat. I love my people in the comments right now. My permit, I love you guys so much. My people, y'all know yourself. Nah, like food bad. Come talk about. Now to the first now. Food always tastes good, you know, when you cook in the kitchen, but some dishes just different. They just have a spice. Don't talk. Minutes. This is an eating show. I'm not talking. If you're gonna talk, you eat. I'm gonna sleep now. I'm brushing teeth right now. I'm gonna sleep. Please go to try this recipe. Yeah? And tag me. So guys, tonight, which is Friday night, May 15th, my girl and I eat spicy with tea. We'll be having a live stream, girls talk, and we'll also be making Moscow Mule. So tonight, Friday night, 10 p.m. on Eat Spicy with Tea's channel, we're gonna have a panel. I'm rhyming. We're gonna have a panel of girls talking, sipping and drinking, just having fun. Okay guys, so as I always say, take care. Thank you so much for coming. Please like, comment, subscribe and share my videos to all your friends. Okay, bye bye. Love you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye bye.